Bismillah. It's so yummy. Recipe, let's grate some cheese. I'm using mild cheddar cheese. And now add 5 spoons cornstarch or corn flour, 1 egg. With help of spatula, just mix it together. For adults, I always use chili flakes and some other spices, but because my grandchildren gonna eat it, so I'm gonna add only a little bit black pepper and a little bit salt. So my dough is ready now. Press it, but make sure you put some oil on the surface. Now cut about 1 inch. Take 1 piece and rub it between your palms and make a ball like that. So make sure it's no cracks. So my cheese ball is ready. Let's fry them. Dish it out. Anna Maya.
Yeah, Maya.
It's better than McDonald's.